Galaxies, massive islands of stars, planets, gas, and dark matter, are the building blocks of the universe. From spiral galaxies to irregular galaxies, each one tells a different story about the cosmos. In today's video, we'll dive into the mysteries and wonders of galaxies. A galaxy is a vast collection of stars, planets, dust, gas, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the observable universe, and each one can contain millions, billions, or even trillions of stars. The galaxy we live in is called the Milky Way, but it's just one of countless others scattered across the cosmos. Galaxies come in many different shapes and sizes, and astronomers classify them into several types. Spiral galaxies. These are perhaps the most iconic, with their pinwheel-like shape. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. They have a central bulge of stars and long spiraling arms where new stars are born. Elliptical galaxies. Unlike spirals, these galaxies are more rounded or oval in shape. And they don't have the distinct arms of a spiral galaxy. They're mostly made up of older stars and have little new star formation. Lenticular galaxies. These are kind of a cross between spiral and elliptical galaxies. They have a central bulge like spirals, but no significant arms. They look more like a smooth disk, irregular galaxies. As the name suggests, irregular galaxies don't have a defined shape. They've likely been distorted by interactions with other galaxies and are often rich in gas and young stars. Galaxies began forming shortly after the Big Bang, over 13 billion years ago. In the early universe, gas and dark matter clumped together under gravity, eventually forming the first stars. These stars gathered into clusters, and over time these clusters merged to create the galaxies we see today. Galaxies grow and evolve, colliding and merging with one another in spectacular cosmic events. Galaxies aren't just static, peaceful objects floating through space. They're constantly in motion, and sometimes they collide. Galactic collisions may sound catastrophic, but because galaxies are mostly empty space, stars don't usually crash into each other. Instead, their gravitational forces warp and reshape each other. Over time, these mergers can create new types of galaxies and trigger bursts of star formation. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, these two giant spirals will merge to form a new galaxy, changing the night sky forever. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is a barred spiral galaxy that spans about 100,000 light-years across. It contains over 200 billion stars, and in one of its arms, called the Orion Arm, our solar system is nestled. The center of the Milky Way holds a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*, which has the mass of about 4 million suns. Despite its beauty, most of the Milky Way is hidden from view because of clouds of dust and gas. But thanks to advanced telescopes, we've been able to peer deeper into its structure and uncover its mysteries. Speaking of black holes, nearly every large galaxy, including our own, has a supermassive black hole at its center. These monsters can be millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. While we can't see black holes directly, we observe their effects, like how they bend light and pull stars into their orbit. Some galaxies even have black holes that are actively consuming material, creating bright jets of energy that can be seen across vast distances. Galaxies are also surrounded by an invisible, mysterious substance known as dark matter. Though we can't see or directly detect dark matter, we know it exists because its gravity affects how galaxies rotate and how they're structured. In fact, most of the mass in a galaxy is actually dark matter. Without it, galaxies would simply fly apart. Galaxies don't exist in isolation. They group together in galaxy clusters containing hundreds or even thousands of galaxies bound by gravity. These clusters then form even larger structures called superclusters, which span hundreds of millions of light years. Our Milky Way is part of the Laniakea supercluster, a gigantic collection of galaxies stretching across 500 million light years. As the universe continues to expand, galaxies will keep moving apart from each other. Over billions of years, galaxies will run out of gas, star formation will slow down, and eventually the universe will enter a quiet, dark era where only remnants of galaxies remain. But for now, galaxies are still vibrant, dynamic, and full of life. Galaxies are the grand, shining cities of the universe, each one filled with countless stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Whether they're colliding, forming, or fading away, they are a testament to the incredible beauty and power of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration of galaxies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures into the universe.